Milo!
What are you doing?
Can't find him anywhere.
Well, that's easy. Try this.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, hi, Milo. What's wrong?
He hates the new bed I got him.
Oh, well, have you tried this?
He's gonna prefer a bag over...
You were saying?
Ow! He never lets me pet him.
Have you tried scratching his neck?
Yeah, like that's gonna make a difference.
I'm not taking your cat.
You'll take better care of him than I ever could.
But